We are a home solutions brand.
At D&G, this is why we do electrical walks with our homeowner, because it's so important that we have everything laid out the correct way the first time. If you miss layouts, that's a big problem later after you put drywall in. Question is, electrical walkthrough, is everything where we want it to be? Coming down the stairs, obviously we have the side of the island. We didn't want to see plugs and switches in the side of the island, so we walked around with them and made sure they fit in the correct space. So everything is hidden so you can't see it. Making sure all your outlets from here to the next one are lined up throughout the entire project. Doesn't matter what it is, ceiling, walls, floor, you name it, it's gotta be lined up and symmetrical. When we wire for fireplaces, you also wanna make sure during the electrical walkthrough, the location is correct and not being seen on a front face of a wall anywhere. We've got a projector screen going in here. It's gotta be laid out. So again, we've got 2 plugs to the left, 2 plugs to the right, 2 in the middle. Also making sure our measurement of from the ground to our boxes is in the correct location. Again, always should be from here back to your electrical in the ceiling for your projector. We build all kinds of cool stuff. It's so important to do electrical walk. Get with the clients, get it signed off, and make sure you're all on the same page moving into the next stage, which is drywall finish work.